Hey there everyone, Ramesh here. In this video I am going to show you how to deploy Spring Boot PostgreSQL CRUD application to Heroku. Alright, it's pretty simple to deploy Spring Boot application on Heroku. So in this video I am going to show you how to configure PostgreSQL database in Heroku and how to deploy Spring Boot project on Heroku in a single click. So basically we host our source code of our Spring Boot project on GitHub repository, and we'll log into Heroku, and from Heroku we'll simply use GitHub deployment method to deploy a GitHub repository on Heroku. It's very simple guys, just follow the steps. So look at here, this is a Spring Boot PostgreSQL JPA Hibernate RESTful CRUD API tutorial. So I'm going to deploy this project on Heroku. Okay, so basically you have two options. Either you can create this Spring Boot PostgreSQL CRUD REST API project using this video tutorial and then host the source code of this project on GitHub, and from GitHub you can deploy that repository on a Heroku. So this is the first option. In second option, you can directly clone the source code of this project from my GitHub repository. I have already hosted source code of this video tutorial on my GitHub repository while creating this video tutorial. Alright, you have two options. So basically we want a GitHub repository which we need to deploy in Heroku. So you can choose either one option. So I'm going to choose first option. So I have already created Spring Boot project while making this video tutorial. I will simply host the source code of this Spring Boot project on GitHub, and from GitHub I will deploy on Heroku. Alright, it's pretty simple guys, just follow the steps that I am going to implement in this video tutorial. So this is a Spring Boot PostgreSQL Hibernate CRUD example project. This project I have created while making this video tutorial. Alright, now what I will do, I will host the source code of this project on my GitHub repository, and from GitHub repository we will deploy on Heroku. Okay, so this is the first option. As I said, you can also use the second option. So I have already hosted a source code of this video tutorial on my GitHub repository. You can just clone on your local machine. Okay, so basically we need to update a single file, that is application.properties file, and because we'll be configuring a PostgreSQL database on cloud, right, that is on Heroku. So we need to get PostgreSQL credentials from over there. Okay, right now we have a local PostgreSQL credentials in our application.properties file, but we need to configure our cloud PostgreSQL database configurations in application.properties file. That's why you need to clone the source code of this tutorial on your local machine, and you can update your application.properties file. Alright, let's take a look into the steps. First, we'll log into Heroku and we create a new application in Heroku, and we configure PostgreSQL database in Heroku, and we replace all the PostgreSQL credentials in application.properties. So right now we have configured local PostgreSQL database credentials in application.properties file. Now once we configure PostgreSQL database in Heroku, we have to configure this cloud PostgreSQL database credentials in application.properties. Okay, and then we will host our Spring Boot project on GitHub, and then we deploy our Spring Boot project in Heroku cloud from GitHub repository, and then finally we'll test all the CRUD REST APIs using Postman REST client. So these are the steps that we are going to implement in this video. Alright guys, let me quickly open Spring Boot PostgreSQL Hibernate CRUD example project here on my file system. Alright, and now what we will do, we'll open application.properties file where we have configured our local PostgreSQL database credentials. So right click and open in Notepad++, and look at here, this is the PostgreSQL JDBC URL, a username and password. So here basically we have configured our local PostgreSQL database credentials. Now what we'll do, we'll configure PostgreSQL database in Heroku, and we'll replace all the local PostgreSQL database credentials with Heroku PostgreSQL database credentials. So let's head over to the browser and just type Heroku login, and just go to the Heroku website. And if you are new to Heroku, you need to create an account using sign up, and you need to enter the details here. Alright, so I have already created a Heroku account, so I quickly log into the Heroku now. enter email address and password and hit login button. So once you log into Heroku, you will be able to see the dashboard of Heroku application. Alright guys, so once we log into Heroku, what we'll do, we'll create a new application in Heroku. Okay, go to the new and click on create new app, and here we're gonna provide app name. Let's give app name as Spring Boot PostgreSQL Heroku. So this application name is available. Alright, now let's choose a region, a default region. Okay, and hit create app button. So this will create a new brand app in Heroku. Alright, so this is the deploy section, and here you have different deployment methods: Heroku Git, GitHub, and container registry. Alright, so Heroku provides 3 deployment methods over here. In this video, we're gonna deploy our Spring Boot PostgreSQL database using a project using GitHub option. Okay, so in previous video I have shown you how to deploy Spring Boot project using Heroku Git, but in this video we'll see how to deploy Spring Boot PostgreSQL CRUD application using GitHub. Now in resource section, we're gonna configure PostgreSQL database. Alright, so notice here in resources section, just search for PostgreSQL, and here you need to choose Heroku Postgres. And so look at here, so this is the Heroku Postgres, and which is pointing to our application, and you need to choose Hobby Dev free plan. And yeah, so now if you can able to see here, our application is attached to database, and which is absolutely free. It's very simple, right? Now what we'll do, we'll see the database credentials, because we need database credentials that we need to replace in application.properties, right? So let me quickly open up the database settings here. So go to the settings, and here click on view credentials, and look at here, we have host, database, okay, and user, and the port, and the password. So let's go ahead and let's copy these credentials and replace in application.properties file. It's very simple. Let me zoom it. Okay, so this is the local host. So let's go ahead and let's replace from localhost to our cloud host name. Let me copy this host and go to the application.properties file, replace from localhost here. Okay, and now what we'll do, we'll copy the database name and replace here, replace from employees to the database, and again copy the user and go to the application.properties file, replace here, and again one more property, that is password. So port is by default the same, so only we need to replace password now. Here we go. Let me minimize. Alright guys, we have successfully configured our Heroku PostgreSQL credentials in application.properties file. Okay, great. Let me go ahead and create a repository on my GitHub account. So let me give a repository name as Spring Boot PostgreSQL CRUD -app -Heroku. So this is my repository name. You can give any repository name that you want. Let me give a description, something like deploy Spring Boot PostgreSQL CRUD app on Heroku to Heroku, something like this, and hit create repository button. So this will create a new brand repository on your GitHub account. Now let's go ahead and let's host this source code on newly created GitHub repository. Let me open a git bash, and here look at here, these are the commands that we need to execute here. So here we have initialized empty git repository, and then we need to add all the Spring Boot project content to the repository. and let's give a commit message, git commit -m, and the message something like Spring Boot PostgreSQL Heroku deployment. Okay, deployment repo. Now what we'll do, we'll use git branch -main command. Here we just need to point our local repository to remote repository. For that we're gonna use this URL here, git remote at origin, and then followed by the URL of the repository, and then we need to simply push our local code to the remote repository by using git push -v origin main command. Alright, we have successfully hosted all our local project to the remote repository, GitHub repository. So look at here, I just refresh, and if you can able to see here, now the project is hosted on GitHub repo. Let's go ahead and let's deploy this GitHub repository on Heroku. So look at here, deployment method, the GitHub. Let's choose GitHub, and once you click on GitHub, it will populate a page where you need to simply log in to the GitHub using credentials. And here I'm going to search for the repository that I want to deploy, Spring Boot PostgreSQL CRUD app Heroku. So this is the repository I need to deploy. So hit connect, and then okay, so we need to choose a branch to deploy, so hit deploy branch button. So this is the single click deployment with the GitHub deployment method. It's very simple. So look at here, now the Spring Boot build is in process. Let's wait couple of seconds. This will build our Spring Boot app. Okay, once a build success, then it will compress the artifact and it will deploy. So look at here, build success, and it is compressing, and then it is deploying. So look at here, deployment is done, and it provides the URL over here. Alright, so look at here, your app was successfully deployed, and here is a view button. Hit view button, and it is successfully deployed. It's still loading. Let's wait. Yeah, here we go. So the application is successfully deployed on Heroku. Now I'm gonna test REST endpoints using Postman REST client. So let me copy this URL. Okay, so this is the URL that we are going to replace with the localhost 8080. So let me quickly replace with the Spring Boot app which is deployed on Heroku. Alright, now first we are gonna test post REST API. The first name Ramesh, last name Fadtare, email ID ramesh@gmail.com, and hit send button. So this will call post REST API. Yeah, here we go. The record is successfully stored in PostgreSQL database, and we got success response from the REST API. Let's go and let's test get REST API. Yeah, here we go. We have two records in PostgreSQL database table. It's pretty simple, right? Let me test delete REST API. Let me provide ID here, ID 1. So I want to delete the record 1. Yeah, here we go, we got success response. Let me test put REST API. I'm gonna simply update first name and last name. So first name from Ramesh to Ram, last name from Fadtare to Jadhav. Okay, and the ID is 2, and hit send button, and here is the response. Alright guys, we have successfully updated first name, last name. Okay, and let me test get by ID REST API. Yeah, here we go. Alright guys, we have tested all the CRUD REST APIs using Postman REST client. Okay, so So pretty simple. Deploying Spring Boot applications on Heroku is pretty simple. So alright guys, let me summarize what we have done. We have logged into Heroku and we have created a new app in Heroku, and we have configured PostgreSQL database in Heroku, and we have replaced local PostgreSQL credentials with Heroku PostgreSQL database credentials in application.properties file, and we have hosted a source code of our Spring Boot application on GitHub, and we have deployed our Spring Boot project in Heroku using GitHub deployment method provided by Heroku. Okay, and we have tested all the CRUD REST APIs using Postman REST client. So these are the steps we have followed, and we have successfully deployed our Spring Boot PostgreSQL database project on Heroku. Alright guys, so just follow these steps. You will be able to successfully deploy your Spring Boot PostgreSQL CRUD REST API project on Heroku. Alright guys, let me know if you have any issues or queries in the comment section below. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you guys in next video.